All right, so we were gonna work on the sound deadening, but this awesome thing decided to die. So all my camera batteries and all of that, that's all dead. We're gonna use the phone. So, all right, here's the van right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some sound deadening. I know sound deadening is not the most exciting thing in the world, but we're gonna go ahead and try to get this done. So see right here, there's no sound deadening. Right here, there's no sound deadening. You can see on the roof where the fan is that they have a factory put in these little guys. See if we can focus here. And those are sound deadening. Technically, you only have to do about 30% of your van, which the roof is good, but the walls are not. So we're gonna go ahead and tackle that today. Here's what the back looks like, guys. It basically looks like tar paper. The front has like a reflective material on it to reflect a little bit of heat, but for the most part, your insulation and your reflectix is going to do that. Okay, guys. So for all the dirty spots on the van, if your van walls, like I had a leak in these windows, recently got it fixed, and this section right here is a little bit dirty. I'm just using a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel. That's it. The alcohol dries pretty fast, but only water was on here. So I want to encourage you guys, if you do have some dirt and grime on there, to thoroughly clean it with like some soap and water, and then get that off of there. Then go ahead and use the isopropyl alcohol. That'll dry really quickly, and then you can go ahead and apply your sound deadening. All right, so this is gonna be super hard to do, but essentially what I'm doing is I'm starting from the top down on a lot of these, and then I'm attaching the top part here, and then just kind of rubbing as I go, holding this out so that I get a good seal on the underside of it there. Really hard to see, but essentially what you would do for like a vinyl sticker or something like that. That's pretty much what I'm doing so that I don't get any air gaps in there. So here's what we want to knot here. See how that's really tangy? Well, here's one with the sound deadening on it. Sorry about the glare, but there's the sound deadening, right? So it's a little bit different. All right, everyone, so I have all of the sound deadening in the van, as you can see behind me, but I do have, of course there's a car that drives by right there. I do have all the sound deadening in the van, as you can see right here. So what we're gonna end up doing is taking out the headliner way back there at some point in time, and I'll put just a little bit more. I do have one more sheet, and that'll be in soon enough. So stay tuned, and remember, create what you love. See you next time.